Hi guys, my name is Julian from Gabon Adventure Tours. Today I would like to test this fishing pole, which is a present from a good friend of mine. Yeah, it has a spinning reel Crossfire 3000. Yeah, which is not so bad for the river. And I put some floaters on it. Yeah, just because here it's really good when you are fishing with a rod which has a floater. Yeah, and I made a really nice knot on the hook, just because here fish has really sharp teeth, so it's always better when you cross to time when you are making your knot. Yeah, and in the end I would like to mention here fish really like worms, so guys, it's always better here in the forest when you go for fishing to use live worms. Yeah, and one thing more, yeah, the best time for fishing here in the jungle is always in the night. Yeah, so that means during the day, like now, I will look if I can catch some big fish. Yeah, but already my fishing pole, it's already a better one, because I can get something like fish which has 10 kilos. Yeah, already it's really good. It's really good. So guys, let's start. My fishing party end up here. The fishing rod was really nice, but not too good for this kind of sport, because there are many trees around, and for a spinning reel it's not working so good. Yeah, and unfortunately I got any fish, and it's getting dark actually, so I think I will just stop. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to successfully explore the African jungle in Gabon. Bye.